Can we create an Apple ID without a phone number? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to figure out if we can create an Apple ID without a phone number. So let's get started. The first step is you will need to head over to any page or any method that you'd like to create an Apple account. So I'll just head over to my web browser and head over to account.apple.com where I can create an Apple account. So after you're on the website, you can tap on the drop down button right here and then tap on create your Apple account. So right here, we'll just find out if we need a phone number or not. And there you can see that you actually need a phone number. So let's try to get around that. And let me just type in whatever here. So let me just choose some random stuff. You can just fill in it with your details. And right here, you can now create a new Apple account. You can use the email here and then create a password. Right here, you'll notice that you will actually need phone number. And yeah, if you do not actually want your phone number, if you do not want to use your phone number, you can always go to a web browser and search for temporary numbers. So right here, you will see a lot of free temporary phone numbers which you can use to create this Apple account. After you do that, you can just tap on continue. And yeah, that is basically it. I hope this video answers your question that you actually do need a phone number to create your Apple ID. The other way that you can actually create without using your own phone number is by heading over to any web browser and searching for temporary phone numbers where you can just get a free online phone number. And yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.